So how was the special item? Did you enjoy it? Okay, so tell me, what was the message conveyed through it? Anyone? Please come on stage. हमारी धरती और प्राकृतिक वातावरण को हमें बचाना चाहिए और धरती की रक्षा करनी चाहिए. Tell me your name and class. My name is Bhavika and I am from class 8B. Very good, beta. Scouts clap, go for her. Dear children, as you all know that these days the government of India is taking active initiative in spreading environment awareness program and sustainable practices. So in this regard, the Department of School Education and Literacy, in alignment with the National Policy of Education, has launched an educative initiative, that is the generation of QR code for varieties of floras present in our surrounding. So the Department of School Education and Literacy, in alignment with the National Policy of Education, has launched an educative initiative, that is the generation of flora QR code of varieties of plants present in our surrounding. So it is undertaken under Eco Club for Mission Life. As you all know that today is Earth Day, so we'll be celebrating it in a very interesting, innovative and digital manner. So for making this program successful, our 8th and 12th class students have generated QR code for the floras present in our school campus. So I would like to call them on stage to showcase the QR codes that they have made it. Please come on, please. I also request Principal Sir and HM Sir to join them for a group photography. Around 50 QR codes in the last 2 days. So please give them a big round of applause for their sincere efforts. Now I'll tell you how actually it works. As all of you can see, this is a QR code. Left hand side, the common name and the scientific name of the plant is there, and the right hand side there is a QR code. So any one of you, even if you're not having any idea about the plant, you can easily scan it through the Google scanner and would be able to access the descriptive information of each and every plant. For example, whether it is a fruit-bearing plant or a medicinal plant or an environmental friendly plant, whatever it is. So today, on occasion of Earth Day, we'll be hanging these QR codes on the specific plants to which it belongs. And this activity will be carried out in the respective science periods under the guidance of the science teachers. I request all the science teachers to take 5 best photos and 1 geotag videos and share it in our event group. So this way we are going to celebrate Earth Day today. Thank you, all of you.